Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nupur. In today's video, I'm going to talk about my personal favorite 5 drugstore lipsticks which nobody talks about, and these are the lipsticks which will definitely flatter all the Indian skin tones. So let's get started. First one is from Nykaa. This is from their Matte to Last lipstick range, and I'm in the shade 03. Now I know there are not many girls who owe this lipstick, but this is such a stunning shade, you guys. I'm in the shade 03. This is such a beautiful rusty orange shade, and it looks stunning on Indian skin tones. So make sure to get your hands on this one. It dries out very quickly, so make sure you apply a good layer of lip balm on your lips before you put this lipstick on your lips. Now this will stay on your lips for about 2 to 3 hours. It is transfer proof, but it starts fading after 3 hours, and खाना खाते वक्त भी ये fade होने start हो जाता है. But this is very lightweight. The formula is really good, and the applicator is also good. Now next one is from Bella Voste. I'm in the shade 05. I don't know if you guys know about this lipstick, but this is such a stunning violet shade. This is from their Ulti Matte Chubby Stick range. This is formulated in Italy, and it retails for rupees 499, which is like worth the price. So this is not exactly a matte lipstick. It is a creamy matte lipstick which makes my lips look very healthy and plumpy. So make sure to get your hands on this lipstick, you guys. It's such a stunning, bold and beautiful violet shade. Moving on to the next lipstick, this is from Wet n Wild. I'm in the shade Sandstorm. I apply this lipstick on a daily basis. It is a creamy matte lipstick. You can see it is blending on my lips like a butter. It is the formula is very buttery and creamy, and this is a perfect lip shade for if you're looking for a daily basis. Then just go ahead and get your hands on this one. This is very affordable. You can apply this while going for a work or for college, or for a function. You can literally put this lipstick on. Okay, next one is from Nykaa. This is from their 9 to 5 range. This is a matte mousse lip and cheek color. I'm in the shade Blush Velvet. Now the applicator is really good. The wand makes it even more easier to apply a lipstick, and it takes about 1 to 2 minutes to dry out completely. And the formula is very good, especially for dry lips. This is the formula is like a mousse. Matte mousse. So you can see it is a very pretty pink, pale pink shade, and this is very lightweight. Again, it doesn't even feel like you have applied something on your lips. Moving on to the next and my most favorite lipstick. This is actually a lip tint, wine lip tint from In Color Cosmetics, and as the name says, wine lip tint, the packaging is really pretty. It is actually a wine bottle, छोटू सा wine bottle में ये lipstick आती है, lip tint आता है, which stays on your lips for more than 14 hours. It is tried and tested. अगर आप सोने के बाद भी उठते हो जब आप, तभी भी ये शेड वैसे के वैसे रहता है. And make sure you apply a good layer of lip balm before you apply this lipstick, because and it is very lightweight. Again, it doesn't feel like you have applied anything on your lips, and it is transfer proof as well. So guys, that's it for the day. I hope this video was helpful for you all, and go get your hands on all the lipsticks. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.